helping me bake Granny's cocoa cake. So, come on in. How did you get there? Okay, so it's Granny's cocoa cake. So as you can see, we have all the ingredients over here. So we have to preheat the oven to 350. So it's already preheated. Okay, so we need 1 stick of butter. Butter right here. And I will have you grab 1 cup of water. Help me. Over here. There we go. Okay. Now I will have you add in all of that cup of water.
Now the butter's swimming.
Yay. Okay, now half a cup of shortening, and I will have you get the 3 tablespoons of cocoa. So, okay, so where is the
Back it up.
cup of shortening? Cup of shortening. No, yeah, this is the shortening. Is this the shortening? Yes. Okay.
Oh, you know what? I'm going to put it all. Yeah,
So remember? So there's 3. 1.
This one.
Wait. Oh, I'm going to put this in. Wait, first. Okay, there. And 2. 2. And out. So the last one.
And the last one.
Is 3. You clean your hands so you can do that. Go.
Okay. Also, because I walked 3.
So now we've got all these on the. Do we put it on there? Okay. So now that we've got all the ingredients that go in here, I would like to put it on this one. Okay. So we're just gonna let that sit.
And then
This. Oh, so 2 cups of flour. Where's the flour? Where's the flour? It's killing us. I can't put it down. We need it for stuff. We're gonna put 2 of these. So 1. Make sure all it's in. And just put it right there. I feel like a chef right now.
I suggest you use your finger and scrape it off.
Ashley was right. This is going to get messy.
Very messy.
Okay.
There's 1.
Okay.
Wait,
Wait,
that's
2. So this is the last one. Okay, that's it.
Make it a bit more of a mess.
Okay, that's fine. Half
Rinse my hands.
a half of a tablespoon of salt.
Let's do this. Let's salt it up. You should probably use the skinnier one.
Oh, that's perfect. So put it in. And that's it. Close this. Now,
Take it to the downside.
now we need 1 tablespoon baking soda. So,
Pull that. Yeah.
Hi.
Pull that up and then pull up.
right here. Asher's here.
Yeah.
Wow. Yummy baking soda. Okay,
So I'm just gonna use this.
So we've got 1 of them in. Is that it? 2 teaspoons cinnamon. This is what we're thinking. Asher, you can do 1.
Let's shout out on you. Okay.
Asher can pour this in.
Okay, you know what? How about you lean it over the sink and dump it in there? It's not enough. Okay, I think that's good if you spread it all out.
So 2, 1. Make sure you dump this in carefully in this bowl. In this bowl. Put it in this bowl. Get all of it in. Okay. 2 cups of sugar. 2 cups of sugar. Careful now. I don't want sugar everywhere. Whoa. Okay. Is that enough?
A little bit more. Get down in there. 1.
Ooh, that's a lot of sugar.
A whole lot more. Give me a whole lot more.
Oh yeah, this is for like the dessert tonight because your mom asked my mom to make something. For
Dump
dessert. Okay, dump it. Okay, this is 2. It's 2. It's a whole lot of sugar.
Yay.
We're gonna get crazy.
Yay.
Like yesterday, you were crazy.
Crazy.
And that's all of the
stuff.
The dry stuff. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna set the dry stuff aside. A
Mixer.
The whisk. That looks good.
Sounds a bit crunchy.
Oh yes, 2 eggs. 2 eggs at first. Okay. Get that bowl out of here.
I made eggs like yesterday. So.
And I didn't. Love cracking eggs, but I hate when they crack on me. Get it? Perfect. After the eggs is 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
And it's in a royal bottle.
It's not heavy at all. Feel it?
Not heavy. Take off the royal cap.
Oh, cool. Okay, we're all gonna go.
Ready,
Set, go. Okay, so we had a little accident there. We were too crazy.
Maybe you should have done it.
Yeah, not both of us.
Yeah.
But, yeah. So we're done with the vanilla. So a half cup of sour milk. With the bucks.
The left. I'm catching it.
You gotta wash your hands, Ivy, but I don't. Hey, Ivy, how about you whisk it?
You can see the ingredients better.
Okay, here we go. Wet and dry mixing. Oh, yes.
I can keep tilting my body.
Until it all gets in. Okay, put it over here. Now, let's mix. Jinx. Oh, it sounds gross. Smells so good. Doesn't it? Smells like cocoa cake. Because that is cocoa cake. This is cocoa cake. It's the cocoa cake batter. It looks like frosting, but we're going to do the frosting while this is cooking. Oh, yum. Okay, so I'm going to spray half, and then she's going to spray half. I'm spraying this half.
Z. Harry Potter. So good. Start dumping.
Whoa. Hey guys, we're back and we put it in a 13 pan. Okay, so guys, now we're gonna do the frosting. So 1 stick of butter. Perfect. Okay, now that we have 1 stick of butter, we have to have half a cup of milk. So 4 tablespoons of a scooper. Okay. Guys, I'm evening it out. Alright guys, so the cocoa cake is done. It's been made. And I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Bye! Pasta, meatballs, ravioli.